Hello and welcome to the demo of Team360 OmniSpace Gadget with sentiment analysis for Salesforce. Team360 OmniSpace is compatible with Cisco UCCX, UCCE, PCCE or even HCS for hosted environments. In this demo, we will show you how Team360 OmniSpace Gadget is capable to detect positive and negative words spoken by the customer. This can phenomenally enhance the customer experience and service levels. A detailed sentiment analysis report is available from our reporting platform called Team Insights. We will cover that in another demo. I have used my Salesforce ID to log in into the Salesforce and will use my Cisco agent ID to log into my Cisco contact center environment. I will click on the submit button and then use my mobile phone to call into my call center IVR and answer a call.
Welcome to the demo of Team360 Omnichannel Gadget for Salesforce with live sentiment analysis. Please say agent if you want to speak with a CSR.
Agent.
Sure, I will just transfer you to an agent. Have a lovely experience.
I have received the call and I will answer it. Now, as a customer, I will just speak into my mobile phone, just the way how any customer would speak. Wow, this is an awesome experience. I was not happy with your service last time. I am happy now. This is great. Amazing. I am not happy. Okay. So as you can see, whatever phrases or words are spoken, and if the gadget identifies that as a sentiment, it will attach a score and show it on the screen. This helps the CSR to communicate with the customer appropriately and handle conversations in a much more effective manner. All these sentiments are also logged into the database for any kind of a reporting, and all those reports are available from our another product or a platform called the Team Insights. Along with the sentiment analysis, we have all the other default features that should be available in a gadget, like a keypad to enter any DTMF tones, hang up or the end button, hold or retrieve button, direct transfer, consult, transfer, share data, just in case if you want to share the details of the customer that you are speaking with another CSR before he takes over the call. You can even attach this call with a case. You want to link this call with a case, you can just open that case from the Salesforce and then link it here. You can even attach a note here saying great call for testing and demonstrating the sentiments. And then we can either hang up the call or wait for the customer to hang up. We have hung up the call. We are already in the work mode, and we can either change our status to not ready if we want to take a break or go out or log out, or change our status back to ready to be ready for the next call. So I will just change my status to ready, and I am ready for the next call. So as you can see, whatever activity note that I have written in my gadget is immediately stored in this activity call log. Okay, great call for testing and demonstrating the sentiments. So as you can see, this particular gadget is one in all tool for the CSR to have a very outcome based conversation with their caller or the customer. And every contact center environment is today uh, taking every step to enhance the customer services and to enhance the customer's experience. And I'm very sure that this tool will really help them to achieve that goal. Thank you very much for watching this demo. Goodbye.